Good afternoon to everyone. I am from Prathiba from first year ISC. My startup company is FIMAC. Product present name is Bottle. Product proposed name is Bottle. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Role awareness, understanding your role in the setting and the expectation associated with it. Boundaries, maintaining professional and personal boundaries to avoid over involvement. Defined. Based on empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Bottle. Futuristic product name S Bottle. IDA. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Templates. Built-in template engine for rendering dynamic HTML pages. Routing. Flexible and simple URL routing that supports wildcards, HTTP method-based routing, and named routes. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.